Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a brand new launch from Gerard Cosmetics. I'm so excited. So if you want to see what they launched, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay, so Gerard Cosmetics has launched a new product and I am so excited. So, do y'all want to know what they launched? Here it is. Now let's get into it. They wrap their stuff so beautiful. Brand new powders. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Gerard Cosmetics setting and sculpting powder and pink blurring powder. Now, I have not done my under eye just so we can try these out. I am so excited. I love pink powder. Oh my God, and they launched puffs. So you get a pink puff and a black puff. Look how cute. So we are going, this is the setting and sculpting powder. I love pink powder. I am so excited for this launch. So you get 0.28 ounces of product, and this is 8 grams of product. Has the GC logo. Oh yes, and it has one of these on it so you can control your powder. So we're gonna use that one. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm gonna use my pink puff for my pink powder. Then we have the blurring powder. The pink blurring powder. These are, I just love Gerard Cosmetics. This is the, it's all on one side. This is the pink powder. Oh, I'm so excited. Yes. All right. So there it is. We are going to do this. So I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Super Stay Activewear Concealer. Gonna go in with my Anissa Pinnacle Concealer Brush. Okay, so we are going to take the pink puff and we're going to get us some pink powder. And here's a tip. When you're using powder, always dab your puff on the back of your hand so you're not getting a ton of powder under your eye. Wow! Oh my God, I love it! Y'all see the difference? Wow. look at that blur, guys. Oh my God. All right, now we're gonna sculpt. I'm going to dip in my black puff, and I'm just gonna get it on the tip. I'm gonna pat it in a different spot. And we are going to put it right there. Take it down. You can always go back on the back of your hand and get the excess powder from your hand. And I'm going to contour my nose real fast with the GC Brow Bar to Go. So I go in with the Blonde to Brunette, and I go in that middle color. This is the perfect contour for me for my nose. And then we will sculpt the nose with the sculpting powder. That's simple. Look at that nose contour. Whoop, whoop. I'm gonna go back in with my puff. Very smooth. Oh God, look at my face. That is a huge difference to when I first came on camera. Now I'm gonna get my powder brush, my Nisa powder brush, and I'm just going to brush it off and blend it in. What do we think, guys? I want you to let me know down in the comments what you think of the new Gerard Cosmetics Sculpting, Setting and Sculpting Powder, and the Gerard Cosmetics Slay the Bake Blurring Powder in pink. I love it. I mean, it made a tremendous difference from the before. So if you would like to get your own powder, the pink or the sculpting, please go down into the description and click the link from Gerard Cosmetics and get yours today, because they just launched. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me here on YouTube. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you would like to subscribe and you like makeup and beauty from a mature woman, then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.